Guys, am I audible?
Yes, Sunil, you
Yes,
are audible.
we can hear you.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So is it clear, right? The voice is clear, right?
Yeah, it's clear. Little bit low. Can you?
Okay, okay. Yeah. Now,
Now it's clear.
okay, guys. Okay, okay. Right, right. Yeah. So our course is problem solving, guys, using Java and Python. Okay. So any idea, guys, what is this course about? Something like that. I think Surya might be knowing multiple things. Yeah, because yeah, right. He was from other batch. Yeah. Now tell me, guys. Any idea, guys? What is problem solving? Come on. What is problem solving, guys? And why it is important? And what are we going to teach? Any idea? Come on, guys, speak up. Give a guess, blind guess. No problem.
So in general, you are asking about the problem solving, or I
Yeah.
just
Yes, yes. No. So about our course now. Our course is what, guys? Problem solving using Java and Python. What do you mean by this? Any idea? That's what I'm saying. Not generally. Yeah, generally okay. Yeah, fine. And what is with respect to the problem solving? In Java, we have a we have a core Java, we have a Spring Boot, we have a microservices. Am I correct or not, guys?
Hmm.
If you take Java, right? So first everyone will start with the core Java. Okay, in that OOPS principles will coming into the picture, and abstraction, interfaces, polymorphism, right? And encapsulation, and then it goes to multi-threading, exception handling, collection framework, right? And Java 8 streams. Now from the trend is from Java 8 to Java 25. You need to know all the futures, right? Then go for Spring Boot, and then we'll go for microservices. This is the total course or not? Advanced
Yes.
Java. Advanced Java is now it is outdated. Advanced Java is outdated. Right. Now comes the Spring Boot, which is a trending one. Am I correct? And microservices. Right. When we come to Python, right? What is there, guys? Come on, tell me. Uh, core Python. Okay. Advanced Python. Then comes what, guys? Django and Flask, likewise. Okay. Then here also microservices are there. Okay. Now tell me, guys, what is problem solving with respect to Java and Python? Why why people are failing in problem solving, why trainers are not giving importance. There is no problem solving in Java, guys. You see here, core Java is full of mechanisms, oops principles, collection framework, multi-threading, exception handling. Everything is a mechanism only. No problem solving, nothing. Just you need to understand the interface, and you need to uh, implements or extends it, you need to go ahead. You need to understand the inheritance, you need to write it. You need to understand exception. Just it's like understanding and writing the flow. That's it. But there is no dynamic problem solving, right? Am I correct, guys? Guys, can someone speak up?
Yeah. Yes.
Am I correct? So, suppose if you take any interview, guys, okay, any interview, take any Java interview, any Python interview, any data engineering interview, any data science interview, okay? So, multiple streams are there, right? Now in the market, right? Now the trendy fields are what, guys? Java backend developer is one of the trendy field, which is one of the highest paid field now. And data engineer, again, one of the trendy field, data scientist, and even front end developer is not that, yeah, but okay, front end developer by using React. Now it's booming again, React, right? And what else left, guys? You take any field, guys. Okay. If the interview time is 1 hour, okay, the first 20 minutes, what they will ask, guys, anyone? The first 20 minutes, what they used to focus. Come on, guys.
You check the fundamentals of giving by giving any problem that how good are we with our
Yes,
basics.
yes. They will
Good.
give you one problem statement, guys. Okay, they will give you one problem statement, and problem statement means what, guys? They will give you some situation, and you need to understand the situation, and you need to write the code on your own. Okay, right? Am I correct, guys? So in that, the strange part is the strange part is in that problem solving, nothing here will help you. Nothing here, and you see here the total problem statements revolves around few things, guys. Arrays, arrays, strings, okay, collection framework, okay, then algorithms, guys, algorithms. Uh, so if you see for a company, apart from Mang, right? See, suppose if you take the Mang, Meta, Amazon, Netflix, Google, Uber, those companies will go beyond. Okay, but 70% of the companies, okay, are within this range of the problem solving. 70% of the companies, okay, within this range. That means what, guys? They will ask problems on arrays, they will ask problems on strings, they will ask problems on collection framework, and they will ask programs on binary search, and they will ask programs on sliding window, guys. Okay, these five areas they will try to ask 70% of the companies, in one, if the interview is 1 hour, the first 20 minutes they will ask some problem statement, and you need to solve by using this array strings collection framework, guys. The strange part is in our curriculum in core Java, problem solving is very little significance. I don't know why. Okay, the thing is, they always run with mechanisms. They will always run about polymorphism, interfaces, okay, abstraction, encapsulation, functional interfaces, Java 8, Java 11. Likewise, they will go, but they won't teach you are the techniques how to understand a problem statement and how to solve the program. Right? Guys, any doubts, guys, so far?
This collection framework means this all data collection means dictionary. All this comes under
Array
this
list
collection.
set tuple, that's in Python. Okay, if you take in Java, array list has set, okay, right, hash map likewise. Okay, so the plan of this course is we we will teach some.
Sunil, your voice is. Can you increase your volume? Your voice is now too low.
Okay, guys, I hope everyone is using earphones, right? So please use earphones, guys. Actually, it is bit fluctuating sometimes. 1 minute. Guys, I am speaking through earphones now. That means, guys, am I audible now? Hello.
Yes, Sunil, you are audible.
Now, can you feel some difference from in the voice?
It's okay, but not. I will not say there would be any much change. It's okay now as compared to previous.
Okay, and please use your earphones, okay? Because the voice will be a bit low. Okay, so please use earphones, okay? Right?
Okay.
Actually, my voice is high, but I don't know the system settings. Multiple things. Okay, I
Couple
can't.
of seconds, your voice was clear and crystal, but suddenly after that, don't
Okay,
know.
okay. Maybe not sure, but please use your earphones, okay?
Okay.
I hope y- y- okay, everyone is using earphones, okay? Yeah. So the thing is, array they will give you mainly programs on arrays, strings, collection framework, binary search, and sliding window, guys. Okay. So basically 70% of the companies will go with this way with respect to problem solving. And if you take Mang, no, they will go for DSA also. What is that? DSA. What is that? DSA, guys? Anyone?
Data structure algorithm.
Data structures and algorithms. So what I mean to say is you should be strong in problem solving. And if you further interested in problem solving, no, after this till after these 5 topics, okay, these 5 topics will take a month, guys. Okay, 30 classes, and once you if still more interested, you can explore this area also. Okay, that's up to you. But if you want to really achieve the companies like Mang, okay, Meta, Amazon, Apple, Uber, Walla, like those kind of companies, okay, you can go for DSA, guys, okay. That is, and this problem solving will be the prerequisite for DSA, okay. Even if you see, these are the part of DSA, not a prerequisite, okay. This is a 25% part of DSA, guys, okay, right? And our teaching is mainly with what, guys? Excel, that programs will teach mainly with will use mainly 4 online platforms, guys. Rank, Coding Ninjas, come on, GFG, Lead Code, guys. Any one of you know any of these guys? Any one of you know any of these guys? Guys, what are these? What are these 4 names? Come on, guys.
Sir, companies means this are providing a platform for problem solving questions. We solve them.
Yeah, correct. The thing is, these are the on various online platforms. Okay, one minute, these are the various online platforms. Okay, right. Uh, Various online platforms which have n number of programs in the already, you know, described, already given over there, and we need to solve the programs one by one, guys. Okay, so my expectation of this batch is around we'll try to solve 150 programs. Okay, on this batch, guys. Okay, how many? We'll target 150 programs, guys. Okay, so once you're done with those 150 programs, so whatever the problem statement you are facing, you will be understanding the problem statement. So you will be understanding the problem statement, and you will be writing the code on your own, guys. Okay, that is my challenge here. Okay, that is uh, you know I'll take that as a challenge. I'll make sure you guys write the program on your own. Okay, right. So let me show you the Excel sheet which I gathered, guys. Okay, you can see here programs on arrays, programs on strings, programs on Java collection framework, and searching and sorting techniques, sliding window engines programs, binary search engines programs. Yeah, guys, here how many of you from Java background and how many of you from Python background? Guys, can you please ping in the chat box? I just want to know. So based on that would be my teaching style. Okay, come on, guys. Let's please ping everyone in the chat box, guys. Okay. Okay, guys, no problem. I can see some mix of both Java and Python, right? Am I correct, guys? So the thing is, you can see these are the programs which I gathered from various sites, guys. Okay, Hacker Rank, see Lead Code. Here you can see Code 360. Likewise, I have gathered 150 programs, guys. Okay, on various topics. Okay, you can see here. We'll try to complete these 150 questions as part of our course, guys. Okay, the sliding window. Some 8 models are there. Sorry, 10 models are there. Okay, binary search. There are almost 20 models are there. Okay, and then programs on arrays, programs on strings. Okay, like this is DSA part. Leave it, guys. Okay, yeah. So I have gathered, I have gathered 150 plus questions which we'll try to solve in the class, guys. Okay, guys, is the voice is okay now? At least are you able to follow so far what I'm teaching? Yes. Okay, guys. I request everyone again. please use earphones, guys. Okay, the voice is dropping in between the middle. I don't know why. Yeah, even I'm speaking with headset only, earphones only. Yeah, please use earphones. Okay, right. Yeah. Now the thing is, you might be having doubt. The course is the name is problem solving using Java and Python. How can I handle this one? Okay. So guys, I love to solve the programs both in Java and Python, guys. Okay. The first and foremost thing is this is 30 days course now. The first and foremost thing is suppose we'll take one problem statement. We'll take one problem statement. Okay, we'll take one problem statement and first I will give you 3 minutes of time to understand on your own. Then I will explain the code in Java. Then I will explain the code in Python, guys. Okay. Then I will explain the code in Python. This is how my teaching approach, guys. Okay, for each and every program. Okay. So I am flexible in I'm flexible writing the code in both Java and Python. Okay, right. So I have a vast like not say vast like I have vast experience in problem solving, guys. Okay, right. So I covered multiple DSA batches, multiple problem solving batches, guys. So I worked in multiple institutes. Currently, I'm part of teaching problem solving DSA and Spring Boot and microservices in DURGASOFT, guys. Okay, right. So that was my teaching profile. Yeah. So right now I am part of one of the uh, reputed company. I'm a senior software engineer working over there. Okay. Yeah. That was about me. Yeah. Yeah. So guys, any issue, any doubts here so far? So what I mean to say, the problem solving statement, the problem solving means it will cover arrays, strings, collection framework, binary search, and sliding window. My approach is I will teach some concepts related to arrays. See, I won't go concepts in depth, guys, like a core Java class. Okay, whatever the things required to solve the problems, na, I will teach those things only. Suppose if you take arrays, reading is important. Printing the things from the array is important. Declarations are important, right? And the constructors are important in the arrays, and strings are the same thing. If you take collection framework, the entire problem solving will be lying on what, guys? Few collections like array list, hash set, and hash map.
Sunil, so these questions are almost which are mostly asked interview-based question, right? This what?
No, 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 no. 1 minute, 1 minute. So the thing is, interview-based questions will be, you can expect from core Java only. In core Java, Spring Boot, microservices. There you can expect, okay, these type of questions will come. But in problem solving, there are no. You can't expect like that. Okay, everything will change. Everything is dynamic. Okay, so the approach of this course is we will solve some 150 models, standard models. Once you understand those models, once you master solving those models, then you can approach for any program. Okay, that is my guarantee. It is not like we will be solving these questions, the same questions will be coming like those. No. Okay, so see guys, I want to say one thing here. Okay, it is not like I am teaching the questions related to service based companies. Okay, you might be listening in service based companies, right? Patterns, palindromes, Armstrong numbers, prime numbers, they will be repeated again and again, again and again. But I am teaching beyond, guys. Okay, I am teaching beyond that. Okay.
No, 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 no. No, my question to you is, so now as you are also working, so you must know that now recently in service-based companies also many questions in interview directly asking from lead code or directly that would be on sliding window or any array means that in lead code, I have also seen that. So there is 150 or 75 or on. I am not sure with hacker rank, but on lead code I have seen. So we have this kind of questions which cover
Yeah.
almost and many, so it's also depend on person to person and who is taking the interview. He would be from service based or product based. It doesn't matter. But
Yeah.
mostly they try to uh, by giving a problem, they try to think that what is your approach, how you think, right? And what
Mm.
in
Yeah.
how in what is the in how in which time frame you analyze the question and give the results. All this questions, all the things this matter, right?
Yeah. So the thing is, I don't know that what are the 75 questions you're saying. Like yeah, multiple lists are there on the internet. It is. But the thing is here, I have some set of questions like which from different platforms. Okay, which I feel they are worthy. They are time effort, consuming. Okay, what can I say? They are worthy of the time. So I have picked those models, and we will try to solve, and I will make you understand. And the thing is here, yeah, so if you take lead code now, we have a 3,000 programs are there on lead code. Okay, 3,000 plus only. And hacker rank, there are many questions likewise. So thousands of programs on there on the internet. Okay, so we will be picking some standard models and some challenging questions, which will be lying a basis for for the problem solving. And I will be teaching time optimization process and space optimization process in this part, guys. Okay, right. Okay, is that answering your question? Is that solving your question? Someone asked me now.
Yes, Sunil, please.
Yeah, yeah. So these are the see, these are the problems. See, these are the concepts which we are going to teach in Java, guys. Okay, arrays, strings, collection framework, array list, hash set, hash map. Okay, and see, and if something is required, I will teach, guys. Okay, and we will be starting from scratch, guys. Okay, in Java. Okay, so it will be like method calling. See, this course not only for experience, so even for freshers also can take up, guys. Okay, so very scratch I will be teaching you from the main method calling, how to declare a method, right? How what is a static method, non-static method, okay, static and non-static method. Okay, then conditional statements. So conditional statements means what, guys? Come on, if guys, come on, guys, if else if likewise, guys. Okay, then iterational statements.
For while.
Then what, guys? Iterational statements. Okay. See, guys, these things I will be explaining both in Java and Python, guys. Okay, right? Okay, when it comes to arrays in Java, alternative is what, guys? Lists. Okay, and when it comes to strings, again in Python also strings only. Okay, right? When it comes to collection framework, we have there, see, list, set, and dictionary. Am I correct, guys? List, set, and dictionary equivalence. Am I correct? So I will be teaching these concepts. I will be teaching some standard examples with respect to these concepts in first 7 days, guys, or first 5 to 7 days. Okay. Then we will be going for this hacker rank, lead code, coding ninjas, and GFG, guys. Okay. Directly, I don't want to go because I need to see with respect to people, just beginning to the programming, and with respect to freshers also, I should think. Okay. So hold on the patience for first 7 days, guys. Okay. Right. Then we'll go for these things, hacker rank, coding, and just lead code. Okay, right? So, yeah, again, guys. So this is the part of Java and this is the part of Python. But unfortunately, what I mean to say is there is no problem solving. Okay, that is the my biggest challenge in the market. Okay, for the interviews also, right? So This course will be helpful for Java backend developer, data engineer, data scientist, and even front-end developers also will be giving some problem statement, and they were also asking to solve the program, guys. Okay, right? And 70% of the companies will be focusing on these areas, guys. 70% of the companies will be focusing on these areas, and the rest are from which area, guys? You can say 75 also. Come on, guys. And the rest are which area, guys? DSA. That, so once you completed this course now, you are eligible to learn DSA also. This is the first part of DSA, guys. Okay, right? Guys, what is DSA, guys? Come on, data structures and algorithms, right? Guys, any more doubts, guys? So far, any doubts so far? Yes, any doubts so far? Yes, am I audible? Okay. And so, what are the companies we can target? Okay, after this part of this course. Okay, guys. Actually, I want all of my students to get place in product-based companies. Okay, right? Definitely. I don't want to work in. I don't want you guys to work in service-based companies. Am I correct? So that's what my intention, guys. Okay. So what are the companies we can target for? So mainly we can target the product-based companies, guys. Okay, that is the whole idea of this course. Okay, mainly we can target for product-based companies. Guys, what are product-based companies, guys? Anyone? Guys, what are product-based companies? There are companies with respect to e-commerce. Okay. There are companies with respect to healthcare. There are companies with respect to banking domain. Okay. So even service-based companies also we can crack easily. That is different story. See, everything is not easy, but at least when compared to the product-based companies, the service-based companies cracking is easy, right? Okay. And traveling related, Ola, Uber, likewise. Okay. Come on, guys, fintech companies. So e-commerce means what, guys? Come on. The companies like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, correct? And healthcare means what, guys? Come on, tell me. Anyone? Any idea, guys? Guys, come on, guys. You should speak some companies. No. What are healthcare companies? Guys,
This
what are the
Vidal Health.
which company?
Oh, I'm not sure. Vidal Health.
Even I'm not sure about that company, but I'll help. Okay. See, in healthcare, the one of the biggest companies are GE Healthcare. You know, guys, anyone? What is GE Healthcare?
Mm.
GE Healthcare. This is one of the biggest company, and which is my previous company, guys. Optum. Anyone knows this company? UHG. Fortune 5 company, guys. This is one of the Fortune 5 company. Okay, at that time, now I think it's Fortune 7 or somewhat. Okay, UHG and Apollo Healthcare, uh, E Citus Health, multiple things are there. Okay, likewise. Okay, and banking domain. Come on, guys, banking domain. Guys, can you name some companies which are hiring in the banking domain? Tell me, guys. The famous banks are there. Come on. Guys, speak up now. Please make the class interactive again.
American Bank and Deutsche
Yes.
Bank.
American Express, MX Bank, Dutch Bank,
Yeah.
Dutch Bank, and DBS Bank. Okay. And Lloyd's Bank. Yeah. Likewise, there are, and one more biggest bank is there, CBA. What is CBA, guys? Commonwealth Bank of Australia. Okay. Commonwealth Bank of Australia. Commonwealth Bank. Okay. And these are the companies, guys. Okay. So these are the companies which I want my students to target, guys. Okay. And then traveling, Ola, Uber, like this. And fintech, not able to get the names, like we have a Jiroda, right? Yeah, multiple companies are there. Guys. I'm not able to recollect the names now. Yep. So this is the main agenda, guys. We should crack these type of companies. Okay. So the why I'm specially saying about these type of companies now, we can have a flexible work-life balance, and mainly the perks are very high, guys. When compared to service-based companies, the perks are very high. Okay. So here you can say, if you have a 5 years of experience, you can expect 40 to 50 lakhs in broad-based companies. So even minimum 30 lakhs plus you can expect, guys. Okay. In any broad-based company. Okay. And when coming to payments, guys, we have PayPal and we have Phone Pay, Paytm. Okay. Right, guys. So here, if you come to over here, I have an offer from DBS Bank earlier. Okay. And I worked for Lloyds Bank quite some time. And I worked for Optum UHG. Okay. Sometime, around 2.5 years in Optum UHG. Yeah. So these are the companies which I worked on previously. Okay. Yep. Yeah. And I have an offer from PayPal earlier, guys. Okay. But not joined. Okay. Due to negotiations and all. Yeah. So, so So I want my students to crack these kind of companies, guys. Okay, not service-based company like TCS, Accenture, Infosys, Wipro. No. Okay. So I am expecting all my students to get switch to these type of companies. Okay. So the work-life balance is pretty good, and the payments are pretty good. Okay, and the learnings are also pretty good, guys, in these kind of companies. Okay. So that's what I suggest. So definitely these type of companies, the problem solving role is very high, guys, when compared to the frameworks role. Okay. So they will give 50% of importance to problem solving. Problem solving means what, guys? Come on. The programs on arrays, list, collection frameworks, and binary search and sliding window. And rarely some companies will go for DSA, guys. Okay. Okay. So once you master this problem solving now, you can learn DSA also easily. Okay. Very, very easily, guys. Okay. The fear will be reduced. The fear will go away. Okay.
Sunil, just you have mentioned that you have given this couple of interviews. So, with this problem solving, we have one system design interview also, right?
Yeah. See, system design is other round. The system design is not coming in every company. Okay. So you see, I faced system design in PayPal. Okay. And system design in DBS Bank. But remaining company, again, you can see, I told now 75% of the companies. So the thing is what, so mainly the 75% of the companies, they will test your problem solving skills, and they will go for your tech stack. Okay. Tech stack means if you're a Java developer, they will ask SBM, Spring Boot Microservices, CoreJava, like stuff. If you're a Python developer, they will go for Django, Flask, and uh, Core Python, Advanced Python, like that. And if you're a data engineer, they will be asking PySpark, likewise. Okay. So the common point is problem solving. But in remaining 25% of the companies, they will ask for DSA and system design also. You are correct. DSA and system design also. Okay. So I'm not sure, but soonly we'll launch one course on DSN system design also. Okay, let us see. Okay, how things will work. Yeah, even I used to do system design also. Okay, right. So system design means what? As you ask, no, they will give you like can you design a system for what is that? WhatsApp system design. Okay, and can you design a Uber system design? Okay. Can you design a system design for YouTube? Likewise, they will be asking guys. Okay, you need to write all the components. Okay, high level components, low level components, everything you should write, and they will ask you. They will screw you up. Okay, on particular requirements. Okay, which messaging queue you can use, which database you can use, whether you can go for a NoSQL database or relational database. Why NoSQL database? Why relational database? And which kind of API gateway you can choose. Okay, likewise, what kind of messaging queues you can choose, and which kind of communication protocol, whether you are going for REST API or SSE, server side communication. Likewise, they will ask guys, okay, or end-to-end encrypted communication like WebSocket. Okay, likewise, whether WebSocket or REST API. Okay, likewise, they will check, and they will ask with respect to that API gateway, questions on API gateway, and they will ask uh, with respect to database, which database you are choosing, whether it is a NoSQL database or RDBMS. Why NoSQL? Why RDBMS? Like based on the requirement, you need to tell everything, guys. Okay, right? So multiple questions like these questions will come, guys. Okay, on the system design part. System design mainly is part of it's a two parts, guys. That is LLD and HLD, guys. So what is suggest is first complete the problem solving. Once you master this problem solving, now still you want to achieve the remaining 20% of the companies, then you can learn DSE and system design, guys. And soon I can't promise, but soon we'll try to have one DSE and system design batch, guys. Also, okay. But I'm not sure when, but we'll try. Okay, I'll speak with the management.
So one thing from US of the first priority is problem solving skills. So not every company is asking the question on system designing, but we have some exceptions also regarding yeah, on just as you told that
See,
some
see,
companies are asking and some companies we
yes,
have some
yes.
exceptions, right?
Yes, yes. In I have attended for Walmart, okay, and no system design. And for SD1, I attended okay, way back, but at that time, no system design, okay. And PayPal is there, system design is there. Likewise, some companies are there. In Lloyd's Bank, there is no system design, okay. Likewise, okay. So, but mainly system design, you can if you learn basics also enough, but first you should master these problem solving skills. Once you're comfortable now, then go for DSE and system design, guys. Okay, right?
Are you speaking, are you using one any this speaker? It is far away from your lips, or means sometimes your voice is too high and sometimes your voice is just getting
Right.
low.
Now is that okay? Now is that okay?
Now it's okay. No, it's sometimes it was pretty crystal and clear just couple of seconds ago. Means it happens in
Okay.
this.
Now I think I'm okay. Okay. Let me speak with respect to close to the ear mic. Okay. Is that okay now?
Yeah, it's now clear.
Okay. I think now I am holding the mic with one hand. Okay. Yeah. So that's what, guys. So yeah. So first, what I should say is master the problem solving skill thoroughly, guys. Okay, then you can think of DS in system design. Okay, right? And I completed a 67 batches on DSA and few batches in system design, multiple batches of problem solving skills, guys. Okay, right. And coming to the timings, guys. Okay, timings are daily.
So Sunil, in DurgaSoft, you have complete means I have seen one badge by Prakash Babu. He was taking that. You have also taken previously DSM.
Not in DurgaSoft. I worked in other institute, Ashok IT. I taught DSA, and
Okay.
Naresh. I worked for Naresh IT. I'm not supposed to reveal those names, but yeah. So DurgaSoft I recently joined. So I'm taking Spring Boot batches, two batches. But yeah, yes, Prakash Babu. I don't know. Yeah, who is that? Okay. Yeah, but the thing is, you should go with the problem solve. You should go with this online coding questions, guys. Whether you see if you simply DSA means it is not like theory plus some standard examples. It is not the DSA course, I believe, guys. Okay. The thing is, you should you should deal DSA with online platform questions, hacker rank, lead code, coding ninjas, GFG, N variations you should understand, and N variations you should solve. Okay, that is the DSA course. Okay, not yeah, but that is up to the trainer choice how they are teaching. I don't know, but you should be whomever the trainer you choose. Make sure that he is solving with respect to the online platform. That is important, right? Because no one will ask what is the stack in interview, right? They will give you some application on stack and ask you to solve, and no one will ask what is binary search in interview. They will give you some application, and you need to apply binary search on that. You need to apply binary search on that program, and they will ask you to solve. Am I correct? So that is what. Okay, so make sure trainer is going with the applications on that. Okay, that's what I can say. Now, when coming to the price and time, okay, so the time is 3 months, guys. Okay, the time is how much? Sorry, 1 month. Sorry, it's not 3 months. 1 month duration, and fee is 3K, guys. Okay, 3K. Okay, so first, there are demo classes are free. Definitely you can attend. Okay, then you can decide whether to join or not. It is up to you. Yeah. So I'll make sure I will give my 100% efforts in this course, okay, to teach you guys. So I have enough experience on teaching side, okay, teaching problem solving in DSC and system design, and Java and Java backend also. So yeah, so I will try to cover myself. I will try to give the best, guys. Okay, right. And I start from very scratch, guys. Method calling in both Java and Python, static and non-static in both Java and Python, condition statements, both Java and Python, iteration statements, arrays and list in Python, strings in Python, collection framework, array list, hash set, and hash map, guys. Okay, there are n number of questions you can solve on this area. Okay, array list, hash set, and hash map. And then comes a list set and dictionary, guys. Okay, then comes what, guys? Binary search. Okay, guys, trust me, the binary search, the logic is, they will give you one problem statement. The interviewer is not supposed to hint you. Okay, that is binary search. Okay, no, they won't tell you. You should understand the underlying pattern in the problem statement, and you should solve with the binary search cleverly. No one will tell you, okay, this can be solved by using binary search. This can be solved by using sliding window. No one will tell you this. Okay, right? And I teach the classes with respect to time complexity, guys. What is time complexity, guys? Tell me. What is the time complexity? Come on, guys. What is time complexity? Guys, what is time complexity, guys? Anyone? Guys, am I audible?
Uh,
Guys, any idea?
Time taken to solve that problem.
Yeah, yeah. Time taken to solve the program, guys. See, first, if you solve in big of N cube, guys, don't worry. I will tell you what is time complexity. Everything I will tell you, guys. Big of N cube now. No one will accept. You should solve in big of N square based on the statement, guys. And sometimes big of N and or sometimes big of N log N and big of N, guys. Sorry, big of log N. Likewise, there are n kinds of variation in time complexity, guys. So you should understand every program with respect to time complexity, guys. After you write the code, the interviewer will ask what is the time complexity of the program you have written. You need to judge. You are in a place to judge what is the time complexity of the certain program which you wrote. Guys, getting solution is not at all difficult, guys, nowadays. Like, see, the people who are attending the broad-based companies, no, they are very good in competitive coding. Okay, so the thing is where the difference is coming now. Only the time complexity part, guys. You should judge, you should be telling what is the time complexity you're using, and you should be pretty well, you should know how to reduce the time complexity. That is very, very important. Reducing the time complexity, okay? Reducing the time complexity each and every program. Reducing the time complexity, guys, okay? Right? And you should be telling what is space complexity. And you should be placing, you should be, sometimes they will ask, suppose if you're using array list now, array list or list no to solve the program. They will ask, can you solve the program without this array list or list? You know, so mostly avoid using the additional data structure. What is that? Mostly avoid using additional data structure. Guys, is that clear? Right? And you should you should be good enough to judge the constraints of the program, guys. Constraints. What are constraints, guys? Anyone? What is constraints? They will be giving the input should be within that range, output should be within that range. N is of that range. Array of I, that means array elements are within some other range. Likewise, okay. Okay, guys. Yes, any doubts so far? And the timing is daily 78 days. Okay, timing 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. IST. Guys, any doubts so far? Anyone want to ask? Guys, you can see the you can copy, guys. Okay, see. Guys, once the batch is finalized, I will create one WhatsApp group. Okay, I'll create one WhatsApp group and I will add you all to the group, guys. Okay, yeah. Guys,
Yeah.
you can take the numbers, whatever you want. So you can take a screenshot of the chat box. They have already shared, right? Huh. Guys, slowly from tomorrow we will try solving one by one program. Guys, slowly, we'll start with very basic. Okay, as I told you guys, my request is the people who knows the basics now, please, wait. Okay, till the completion of basics part, because I should be supposed to teach concepts related to arrays, concept related to string, concept related to collection framework, and iteration statements and conditional statements, and yeah, and some. But yeah, this is totally problem solving skill course. But I want to give some basic inputs, okay, which mostly we use in day to day in the problem solving, right? Okay, likewise, guys. Okay, yeah. Yes, now you can speak up, guys. Any doubts you want to ask, you can ask. We have a 5 minutes is there. You can ask, guys. Come on.
So, can I have your number? So if any on WhatsApp only, I will ping my query. No worries.
Yeah, yeah,
So,
sure. Take this number, okay? You can take my number. Please ping me on WhatsApp, guys. Okay, I will respond.
thank you, sir.
Yeah, guys. If you have no doubts, you can feel free to drop. And tomorrow at the same time, 7 o'clock, the class is there, guys. Okay, right? Okay.
Uh,
Yeah, please tell me. Any doubts?
Sunil, I have one question. So,
Yeah.
as you know, now you have given couple of interviews. You have clear also that this the as the importance of problem solving. So means it's in any company if you go, this is the first. Means if you
Yes.
are very much experienced, sometime also you know everything, you know the tech stack. But sometime what happens while doing a job, we don't write much now. Due to AI, we just take the code ready made everything in. comes, but while giving the interviews, it comes, right? So, how
See,
to just
yeah,
practice means how to be in that flow of practice means how to update ourselves. That some basic just query of mine.
see, so basically in interviews they will be asking problem solving. Okay, in the bank they will be asking DSA, otherwise system design. Likewise, they will be asking. Am I correct? So the thing
Yes.
is, uh, first you should you should enter to the company, right? Later you can manage whatever the work they are giving. Okay, they might be writing, they might be asking to develop some API, they might be asking to develop some JUnit test cases, they might be asking to work with some cloud area. Multiple things can happen, but the entry part is so difficult, guys. So that is the reason. Okay, you should make sure the problem solving is mandatory for entry. Okay, any kind of entry, and trust me, once you master the problem solving, your work level will also be different in the company. If you assign some task, no, the way of thinking is different. Okay, even though you have chat gpt, even though you have llms, but the thing is, see, trust me, even now we are developing one API last 6 days, and we have worked till late nights to develop that API. Okay, the response will be coming in 10 different ways of JSON. Okay, so that so for that things to solve now, you need to have a clear understanding on the problem solving skills, and you need to master clearly the problem solving skills. See, when companies also don't think everything will be done by LLMs, you should be sometimes should be speaking with the high systems, top groups, top groups in the sense up, the, where out the data you're fetching. Sometimes you need to speak with the front end developers. Multiple things they will be going on, guys. It's not like everything is LLM, but some hiring is reduced as part of the LLM. But again, I can say it is not completely LLM, guys. So you need to understand the problem solving skills. You need to master the way of writing the code. Multiple things can come across. Okay. Thanks, Surya. You are asking very good questions. And please ping me on the WhatsApp, okay? To this number, okay? If you have some more doubts, I can explain you, okay? Right?
Yes.
Don't forget, I'm only ping, okay? Yeah. And guys, whoever have doubts, please ping me on this number, okay?
Yeah, sure, Sunil.
Have a good day. Have a good. Bye.
Yeah, guys, have a good day. Bye bye. Yeah? Take care, guys. Okay?